Woo! Squaddies, I am so excited today because I'm going to show you how to do roasted cauliflower. 2 different ways, on the same tray, on the same bake. One spicy and sweet, one cheesy and tasty, both extra lean. Welcome back to a brand new episode. I am so excited because, well, first of all, I have a deep love for cauliflower. Just love cauliflower. Love cauliflower rice, love roasted cauliflower. And I have been getting a lot of questions as how you roast and make cauliflower so perfect and so lean. So I have decided to combine 2 recipes in one video. Extra excited, and this is a perfect snack or side dish for any recipe you are making. I promise you, you guys are gonna love these. 2 different spectrums of the lean taste buds. They're gonna be tickled, you're gonna be excited. But first things first, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Please, so you never miss the leanness again. And also, a big thumbs up if you like this recipe, and comment below. Let me know what you thought about it, and let me know what other videos you would like to see. Now, on to the main show. I'm gonna go cauliflower florets with a big old slice. 1, 2, 3. So, not sure if that's how you want to do it, but that big slice turns into a perfect little cauliflower floret. We're gonna do it 2 different ways. We're gonna get a bowl. 2 tablespoons of Walden's Farm maple syrup. Now, this is 0 calories, 0 sugar. This is much better than maple syrup. It's not gonna spike our insulin levels and make us crash. So 2 tablespoons there, and you do a little, oh, I'm gonna get lean. You can play with it, you can add a little more sweetness, 0 calories. It's not going to kill you. Then, because we need a little bit of spice, we get my friend SRIRACHA, take a few steps back, load up, and brace yourself. Woo! Couple tablespoons of that. A little bit of olive oil from a distance, because we're getting a little risky here. Having a little fun. 2 tablespoons again. There we go. Some healthy fats. Really bring out all those flavors. Pepper. Again, I like to go from up high. A little bit. Just a dash of soy sauce. So we're bringing out the Asian flavors in this. It's gonna be a lean party in for our taste buds. Mix that together. Then we get our florets, I think. Just pop them in. Now, you don't want to use all of them because we're doing half and half. So be wary of that. I've used about half a head of cauliflower here. Mix it all together. Just do that lean remix, get excited. Oh, wow. Parchment paper, baking tray. Just lay it out. Now, we've got one side of our roasted cauliflower ready to go. This is a spicy and sweet side with an extra dose of leanness. There we go. Let's get that there. Look at that. Look at those flavors. Smells good. Spread them out a little bit. Uno side, spicy and lean. Other side, just plain cauliflower florets. Cloves of garlic. I've got about 8 to 10 cloves. Then we add some sliced onion. Again, you beep, bop, boop, get it on that pan. This is on the one side. Then, just a little bit of thyme, sprinkle that on there. And then what you're gonna do is drizzle the left side, the extra lean side, the plain cauliflower rice, in olive oil. And then we're gonna add salt and pepper. Now, depending on how you wanna do this, you can do a little side salsa. It's one of my favorite moves, side salsa there. Then the final step is the lean remix on the left side. Mix it all together, make sure everything's covered in that olive oil, the salt and pepper, That's it. Right there. You guys see that? Ta-da! Cauliflower roasted 2 different ways. We're gonna put it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes at 425. It is time to get the leanness out right now. Right there is 2x the cauliflower. And now I'm going to introduce you to my little friend Parmigiani, because I told you this was Parmesan crusted cauliflower, as well as spicy and sweet. So we gotta hold up my end of the bargain. And then just give the spicy and sweet one last mix. And we're gonna throw in the oven for just 5 more minutes. Ta-da! Look at that, look! 2 times the cauliflower leanness. This is one of the easiest ways to roast cauliflower while getting the mostest out of your leanness. I'm really excited about this. It's a great side, a great complement for any of your lean meals. You get 2 variations in 1 prep. Also, great snack option. Again, double the leanness, keeps those taste buds excited, which is what it is all about. If you're cooking boring foods day in, day out, you are not gonna stay on the lean train very long, I promise. So let me know how you like these. Comment below. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. And last but not least, squaddies, check out the 90-day lean plan if you want to transform your health, your mental health, your physical strength, because I will design a custom meal plan filled with tasty leanness just like this, tailored to you, as well as a workout plan. www.lean-squad.com. I'll see you guys back next episode. All right, good.